Happy morning. How are you doing, Jomo, today in this
I'm
bloody
doing
day?
good. I'm doing good, CM. Happy morning. Our open positions are, printing money right now. So we are happy campers, just as we expected. We took the correct path as we thought. And, that's it. That's basically the life of a trader, right? Having an idea, executing, and waiting for it to give you a better lifestyle, CM. What are you thinking?
Oh yeah, I love it. I love when my short is working because for me, being in a successful short position is is like being in the best long ever. I think for me, making 40% on the short is like making a double on a long. Why? Because most people lose money now. Most people lose money. So if you can make money while all market participants are actually losing, then it puts your account higher. You grow your account while all the other accounts getting smaller. So in the next bull, you're gonna have much bigger account to buy whatever Bitcoin or Caspa or whatever you want to buy, and others will be wiped out of the game. You know.
There you go. There you go, ladies and gents. People are losing money while we are making money. And that's the beauty of trading. And make sure to, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, retweet it, like it, share it for everyone to understand that there is power in trading. Too many people are bashing us, CM, because we're traders, because we're trading. We have lesser intellect, that we're trading, we are this and that. People are actually bashing us that we caused the Casper fall or something. I got a message from someone. Stop bashing Casper. You're making the price fall. And I thank you for the compliment, but I can't make an asset fall down. It's a huge, multi-billion asset, man. So share us for people to see that you can trade, and you can not only you should learn how to trade. You should gain knowledge, and you should make sure that you learn a skill set that will take you and will go hand by hand with you throughout life, right? That's the beauty, right? That's the beauty of this. And of course, you should put any questions you have right now for us to give us your answers to you as soon as possible. CM, what do we have here? Let's dive right into some questions. Let's see what we have, you know, and then we can give an update later. What do you think?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna show. Basically, the title, the thumbnail is "This bull market is over, man."
Oh
And
yeah, man.
I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show you some charts that saying that it is it is over, man. Okay, I'm just gonna show you few charts that showing that it might be over. Now, this is chocolate cookie. How you doing, man? Well, man, trading crypto based on gold movement will get you wrecked. Okay, it is not a strategy. Okay, you trade crypto, you trade crypto. Don't trade gold. If you trade gold, man. You get me? Remember, it's too much noise. It's too much noise. Maybe
Exactly.
it's all speculation, hopes. Hope you don't want it. You don't want it in your life, man. You see now markets are crashing. You should have been short yesterday, 2 days ago, and be up now 20% on your altcoins. On your
I'm
altcoins.
short for a week at least.
Yeah, some
And I
people.
was short earlier than that. We made money shorting, then paused, got in back in the shorts a week ago, making money again.
Yeah,
For sure. Chocolate Cookie, we love you. You're one of our best viewers, man. But damn, you're looking for hopium right now, and that's not the way to go.
we
Okay,
love
that's not the way
chocolate
to go.
cookie, man. I just had this weekend tons of cookies, man. I'm fat.
Don't blemish him too much, because he dreamt about you a couple of days, man, ago. So
How you doing, Fari? Fari, the best trader. Are you short, Fari? Let us know if you're short, man.
he says crypto, we love it.
Shorts hitting on shit coins hits different
Different
money.
donut, like like Scottish or something like that, Irish.
Done it,
Yeah,
done it.
shorts hitting on shitcoin is strong, man. Like it's done it.
Oh
It's
yeah,
taking it down. That's what we said, CM, many times. We said once shorts start working, they it's like an elevator. Blam, they just they just blow down.
oh yeah.
Yeah, it happened 2 weeks ago. 3rd of February was that day, right? We made a lot of money now again, right? So yeah, this is a beautiful month for shorting. And we were discussing this multiple times about how the probabilities are stacked for shorts to work this month, and so far, more and more, getting in our favor.
The best
Um,
trade, the best trades this month were shorts except only one trade that called
Tell.
Tell
Yeah,
that was good. All the rest
exactly.
went short. So obviously, it was much better for you to be defensive or short oriented than long, because if you're just looking for long,
Exactly.
you're wrecked. You're wrecked.
And we got tail on the group as well, right? We showed that we took tail as well. So the one long, we took it on the group, and yeah.
Hey,
By the way,
Mr. Chris is here. What's up, man?
Chris, what's up, man? There's someone here, I don't know the name, is saying short time. Absolutely not. The short time was at least yesterday or in the past week. After things already broken down, you don't go short after you missed the entry. All right, sir? You need to learn how to trade to have precise entries, and then you can take positions. If you don't know how to do it, sir, don't trade, right? Because
Don't
you're
trade.
late to the party. This is not you in trading. You don't want to be late to the party nor early to the party. You want to be precise, right? If someone tells you to come at 8 o'clock, you should be there at 7:59, waiting to enter at 8 o'clock exactly. If you came at 8:05, you don't take a trade. If you're early at 10 to 8, you don't take the trade. You wait to 8 specifically, precisely. Precision trading, ladies and gents, right? Precision trading. That's the name of the game.
Guys, smash the like, smash the like, smash the like. It really helps us get more live viewers so we can talk about, wake up people asking, are you bullish on Turbo? Man, I'm not bullish on Turbo since, the Coinbase manipulation back to 2-3
He's
months
actually
ago.
stating that he's still bullish on Turbo.
Still bullish. Okay, man. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. Whatever.
I don't know what to say to that, man. I don't know what to say.
Bullish on Turbo, man. Oh man,
No, it's okay. It's
don't be
okay. We
like
don't want.
Galaxy, man. Don't be like Crypto Galaxy calling for $10 Caspa now. Now he's calling for $10 Caspa now, man. And Turbo to go to 50 billion market cap. Man, this could be the top, man. When you
Could
see
be.
these people calling like for insane valuations when the market goes down, it's like, what the fuck?
I'm sure that this EE, all right, sounds like he's actually buying more right now. And look, there is always some chance because we don't know. We can't predict the markets, right? The market will do whatever the market wants to do, right? We're just technicians of the market, right? We know how to read the market and try to make best estimates for probabilities. But this dude, right? Even if Turbo will go a little bit up, still, this is such a bad time to be bullish on something. You just want to make money, Mr. EE. Stop being bullish on something and start changing your mindset. You want to change your mindset to I want to be bullish on making money. That's it.
Exactly. Bullish on US dollar, man. Bullish on USD, man. Give it the USD, man. That's how you need to think. How you make money every month, grow your capital. How? Find a strategy. Your strategy is not working now. You're getting wrecked. If you buy in Turbo, you are just losing the USD and you're
Exactly.
getting more of these fake meme coins or fake scam coins. Again, I love Turbo. I made filthy money on it.
We made money on it.
But when it's going down, no, thank you, man. No, thank you,
That's
man.
what people don't understand. They think we're bashing coins. Every coin that we talked about, that we said that is about to go down, we traded it while it was going up to the long side. We made money on the long side on these coins and we made money on the short side. So stop being stuck and enamored on a coin. Be bullish on making money.
Make
That's
money,
it.
man.
How many decomposing corpuses in the room? He's asking like how many people here are, bullish on Casper to go to $17 waiting here dying in the meanwhile. So that's what decomposing corpuses means. Yeah, for sure. Hopefully not many because we warned you prior, right? So hopefully people kind of listened. Yeah.
Mr. Peter is here. Yes, you need to learn trading, sir. Holding is not an option. Holding is man, for me, holding is a scam. Because if you look on all hodlers this cycle, last cycle it was different because hodlers made good money for 2 years. They could hold altcoins from 2020 or from 2019 all the way to the top of 2021, and a few of their altcoins continue to rip in all the way to the top of the bull. But now this is totally different, man. People are holding rubbish, and They get
because there is too much rubbish around. There is too much rubbish
too
around.
much
Last
scandal.
last cycle, you had like a couple of thousand coins, 7,000 maybe. Now you have like hundreds of thousand coins, right? All of them rug pulls, scam coins, bullshits,
The
all
meme
that thing.
coins, the meme
People
coins.
don't know what to choose. They don't know what to choose. They're like, oh, too many choices, right? That's why they go to these fake gurus online on YouTube. Is like, oh, someone is telling me what to buy. I don't need to think. Let's just do what he does and get wrecked in the meanwhile. I mean, that's why, right? So what else do we have?
All right, I
Uh,
stopped losing money when I stopped listening to influencer. Yes, sir. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the bell. We're exposing all the moon boys. These are the time we're gonna expose all the moon boys, and we're also gonna tell you about the moon boys or traders you should follow, because some people are doing an amazing job. Some people need to get credit, and some people should be followed by you instead of you following the morons on YouTube. Okay, now let's show them some charts. Okay,
let's go.
guys, if you have any question, anything,
Now
drop
is the
it
time to
down.
type.
And
Now is the time
also
to type.
tweet it on Twitter, share it on your
Retweet, yeah.
Twitter, share our live on Twitter, like it, please. It helps us get more live viewers. All right, so I'm gonna show them the something happened, man. Something happened in crypto. Where is this? Tell me if you see my screen.
Christoph is stating the last bull run was like 10,000 coins, roughly, right? A bit less, right? But now 12 million coins.
Bro, I want to show you. I don't know if you saw it, but this is like do you see my chart?
Yeah, we do.
So look, this is the monthly USDT dominance on the stochastic. Okay, I show you look what happened here, man. Look what happened here. You had a higher low on the monthly stochastic, and that was the beginning of the bear market, November 2021. You see that? See
Yeah.
that? November 2021. This chart called it. Now you get the same signal, monthly higher low, and it's doing like a double bottom. Okay, it's not the same exactly, but it's very very similar style. You can see the higher low. If this thing goes up, breaks above this level, it's a bear market. For me, this is the first signal. Now let's look on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin just lost in the 90K, or what the f this happened, man?
Yeah, it lost the 90K. Right now, it's kind of a small bounce. Maybe, there is a probability this was perhaps a shakeout below 89.
Could
It
be.
went to 80, it went to 87, 700. Some people probably trying to buy the dip right now. And let's see if the bulls can survive here, man, because bears are dropping the heat.
Bears are in
dropping
control. Bears are in control, man. And this. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Exactly what you say. But this got rejected from the 100 day and the 50 day. I mean, you can see the rejection here after it tried for like 2 weeks, and you get a resolution to the downside. You get already 2 days. This is the second day now from the break of this kind of the bear flag. No, looks like a bear flag to me. And now let's see if the bulls can pull it off and bring it back up and hold above the 50, the 100K. We have a shot for another rally. If not, I would assume we're going down to the 200-day MA for the minimum.
Yeah.
Maybe even below that. But let's see how it's gonna close today. Candle. This is very very interesting to see that Bitcoin is now. I tell you, I was watching. Obviously, the most important support line is like here, because that's where all the buyers come
Exactly.
in.
Yeah.
But you have this little trend line here. You see this trend line that's connecting.
Of course. I was looking at this trend line. This is where I knew things are going to go gangbuster yesterday.
Yeah. This fake, this rising trend lines, that moon boys think it's bullish. They're not bullish. This little steepening trend line. If they break it, usually bad things happen.
Exactly. It's bullish unless it breaks down.
No, it's not bullish. It's not bullish, man. It's not bullish. But yeah, you're right, man. Now let's see. Now you get also the S&P. Again, this is now before
the S&P and the Nasdaq are getting cracked.
Yeah, S&P is now in a rising wedge. You have major, and also MSTR. Look at MSTR. Where's MSTR, man? Where is MSTR?
Yeah, lost.
See, MSTR not looking good. The micro strategy.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Saylor is gonna save Bitcoin. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
and he's going to crash Bitcoin soon. Once his stock will collapse, once his stock will collapse, and he will have to cover his losses. He will sell Bitcoin. He will sell the Bitcoin, man, and then Bitcoin is doomed, man. So MSTR not looking good, and also Coinbase stock telling you be careful buying crypto. Coinbase, I like to look on Coinbase stocks because you can see Coinbase stock as well. When was the last pump on crypto? November. That was the bull run. Boom. Since then, chop, 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 and wrecked city. If this thing going crash, not good, man. And yeah, that's pretty much the. Oh, let's look. I'll show you my shorts, man. I'll show you some shorts.
Go for it.
Where's my shorts, man? Look, this is a few shorts we took in the community here. By the way, open a Mexi account. You have a Mexi account link on my YouTube channel. On the description, you can see all my shorts is on profit. Obviously, not life changing yet, but if Bitcoin keep dumping, you see I have a profit on Solana 1.3. Kaspa almost 1K. Ethereum a little profit. Again, most people getting wrecked now, and short sellers actually making money. Okay, you wanna be one of these people that making money on these trending moves. Okay, because if you're not making money on the trending move of Bitcoin, whether it's down or up, it's a missed opportunity.
It's a missed opportunity. It's a miss opportunity.
Don't miss opportunities, man. Don't miss opportunity. Be in a community of traders like what we have, or like other people have. Traders that trade to the down and to the upside.
Exactly. Look, and I'm showing here a tweet I made back in, where was it? Back in October 14th, right? I made this on the MSTR chart. MSTR broke to new all-time highs last week, and it's gapping up. BTC to follow, right? So what happened is I started to know that MSTR is paving the way to BTC before BTC broke out, right? And I was starting to chart how BTC is probably going to look like. And this was all for free for people on my Twitter. And by the way, if you're not on my Twitter, you can follow me on No Edge, No Trade. Go and give me a subscribe. Do the same thing for Crypto Mindset, right? So I talked about this multiple times on my Twitter, how MSTR is paving the way. So what you're basically saying now, CM, is that maybe MSTR is paving the way to the downside, actually.
Absolutely, right? Man.
Because it was an indicator to follow to the upside. So the probability now it's kind of being taking Bitcoin prior to it, probably yes. I mean, this is what we've seen in the past, and we had a news failure because MSTR bought the fuck out of Bitcoin again. They're fully leveraged now with debt to people. They bought, I don't know, they are one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin, man.
Ever in the history.
In the history, he's insane.
Actually, you remember last cycle you had Grayscale that completely crashed crypto. I think it was in 2018 or in 2022. When was the Grayscale collapse sell-off?
No, it was in 2022, I think.
2022. So when they sell in, it's not good. So
it's not good.
Imagine
when institutions sell.
Imagine MSTR sale or dumping. Panic selling. Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh. He can get knocked on the door if he will need to pay off his interest on the debt. He will need to sell Bitcoins, right? Because he took debt on the stock market to buy Bitcoins, but he needs to pay interest. Right? And if people wants to, get back the debt, he will need to pay them. They will come knocking on the door, and he will need one day to sell those Bitcoins. Now, I'm not saying it's now, right? Now, me and CM, we've been talking about these options of maybe this is the top or whatever. I still think, as CM said, that we're going to kind of retest the 200-day moving average, which is roughly the 80K. I think this is an area where we can get some support. And I think from this area, we still have a good probability of going back up, right? I still see that, but I'm not a clairvoyant. I don't have any crystal ball. So a disclaimer here, I don't know what will happen. Okay? So what I can say that if it does get here, we are making money on the short. And look, CM paints things differently than I do, but we come to the same conclusion, right? I had this falling trend line, and I had actually this uptrend line here with the higher lows. But I knew that one way or another, we need to resolve this volatility contraction, because what we had here is a volatility contraction, and we wanted this to be resolved either to the upside or to a downside. Right now it's resolved to a downside, and it's not looking good. We're having big volumes over here coming, and unless bulls step back in, and they need to go back above this trend line and back above the 100 to really make the market feel good about it. Right now, this most probably is going to go here somewhere, and then we will need to wait and see where will that go. And just like CM, the shorts we're having, I have a Solana short open since this break over here for the community, and we can share this. The break was over here. This was the short on Solana. CAS, I was short since this area over here. XRP, we took another short yesterday, and we have people, they took the TON short because I showed a few different shorts potential. I had on my focus list TON. Some people took Ray. I had Ray on my focus list as well. I shared this for my people in group, and they could have taken the Ray short as well. Boom. SAND, IMX, Mavia. We just understood that there is a high probability of shorts working, and we're just killing it right now on the shorts. And this is the thing about reading charts and price action, right? You can be agile, and you can understand, the probabilities again of what type of trade to take. And the beauty of it, CM, people don't understand this. It's not about a one-off trade. It's not about the trade I did today or last week. It's about the consistency of trades we take over time, right? That will yield, positive expectancy in the long run. To build a real lifestyle, it's not about winning the lottery. Hey, I made 20x on something, and no, because that happens maybe one time. You made it on a very small amount of your capital, and you probably lost all of your gains on other, rug pulls and whatever, because you don't know how to trade. You just rely on luck. We don't rely on luck, right? We wait for the edge to be tilted to our favor, and we take, big, concentrated positions to make sure that we can, capitalize upon it as much as possible. CM, that's how we roll. And if you want to roll like us, by the way, you're more than welcome, right? We will give this free alpha on lives, but you can join the program. You can scan the QR code in the upper left side of this screen. Scan the QR code, go check us out. You can see we walk the walk. We don't just talk the talk. We show you our trades, we talk our positions, and of course you have a 15% off for the 1 month and the 3 months if you want to go and check us out. For people that are on this live, learn a skill set, and you will be rewarded over the long term. What do we have here, CM?
Yeah, man. Very, very important to be in a good service. It's life changing. Other people, getting wrecked, man. They're wrecked already, like since November. Once their coin topped out, they're wrecked, man. In wrecked city. Why? Our community members, man. We've been in cash December, in January. Obviously, we got stopped out on few trades. Here took a little loss. Here took a little loss there, but obviously took some shorts as well, man. And while all the other people out there losing money, our community members are making money, learning how to short, learning how to profit in the upcoming bear. Once the upcoming bear will come, man, you have no idea how much money you can make on the short side. And just like you said, man, treat crypto as a career, as a profession.
Exactly, as a lifestyle.
You're going to print money from a fucking hotel in Bangladesh or wherever you want to go, man.
Exactly.
Take a short, man, and just
Bangladesh,
print money.
Man, that's funny. And hey, scan the QR code, go to our page. All right, you can check the 4 months, right? You can take a 3-day trial. You can take the monthly subscription, different, right? The VIPs is with coaching, the trades without coaching. You can take the basic TA course. Whatever you want to do, you can choose. And you can see we have our trades there. We have our daily updates. We have our weekly polls. We have our AMA. We have a weekly AMA where we answer questions of our program participants and members and so on and so forth. So, hey, do yourself a favor, learn a skill set. It's an investment. I know people are hesitant to put investment for some reason, right? But hey, if this investment will yield multiples on your investment by learning something, a skill set for life, isn't that worthwhile? People go, buy Gucci's and whatever to the wives, but won't, put something for themselves. You need to invest in yourself, ladies and gents. It's important.
It's literally we lose money. Like literally once you go into the community and learn and learn the courses and follow us and really learn becoming a trader, it is priceless, man. You get this thing right in a couple of months, easy peasy in your time, and that's it, man. You're sorted for life, man. This service is literally for free, man. It's literally for free because you're gonna cover all the little fee, the little amount you throw, in one trade, man. In one trade, you cover it all, man. So
Exactly.
anyway, man, we have
Christoph saying that CM predicted this week's fall. Both of us, I would argue. But I will
Peter
give
Schiff. Have you heard about Peter Schiff tweet about MSTR? Joe?
Yeah, Peter Schiff, of course, he's a billionaire, man.
No, but have you heard about Peter Schiff tweet about MSTR?
No, I can go check it out for just 1 second. Peter,
check it out, man. Check it out.
Peter Schiff. Oh, he's a perma bear on Bitcoin, by the way. Perma bear on Bitcoin, man. He's a perma bear.
Oh yeah. Of course, he actually nailing it like after in the last year or two when gold start rallying. It's so.
He's an intelligent person. He's
a
billionaire, man. He's a billionaire, right?
Yeah.
All right, so he's saying when MSTR traded at a discount to its Bitcoin holding, in theory, seller could sell Bitcoin and buy back shares to close the discount. But since doing so would crash Bitcoin and MSTR share price, he won't. So the discount will keep widening until bankruptcy forces the sale. Look, the thing is, we don't need to be as smart as Peter Schiff to understand how the mechanics of things work, right? I get you, Roger. You love these smart people. The fact is that they don't help you trade. But they don't. They don't help anyone here in our community to trade. They can be smart and say something beautiful. I love them for that. They're billionaires. Kudos to them. But we are down to the earth right here, right? So we alone understand that whatever he's doing, the mechanics is bad, but also we help, trade your way out of all this. The only one is saying his 40K loss would have been like double if he stayed in this market. Phew. So what he's saying is that probably that we saved him and due to listening to us, he felt that maybe it's a good time to sell. I don't know when he sold. And instead of losing 80K from his peak, he lost only 40K, which is still a lot of money for some people. I don't know how big his account is, right? But still a lot of money, people. So we're happy to help the only one, right? And the only thing now is left is for us to help you make money. So, probably check out the community, because we did save you $40,000. So maybe that's, where you invest that money you didn't, lose on a program to help you.
Well, guys, if you have any question, drop it in the chat now because we're going to wrap it out pretty much now. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, tweet the live. Tweet it. Follow us on Twitter. Where is our Twitter? Let me show you.
And by the way, the only one is saying that it's all about statistical expected value being positive. Exactly. Now, it sounds a bit, too much for some people. They don't want to understand this. But that is precisely the game. It's a numbers game, and you need to replicate your numbers over and over again until in the long term, you just build 5 houses, a big bank account, happy wife or husband, a few kids in private schools, and just enjoying life, going, business class.
Or 10 wives and no kids.
Well, that I will leave the 10 wife to you. I think 1 wife is more than enough. She gives me a headache every day, so 1 wife is enough.
Oh yeah. Actually, don't get married, guys. This is a bad trade, a very bad trade. You lose money. You always lose money when you marry.
If you look at it in that aspect, I mean,
if we look financially, it's a horrible trade, man. You get wrecked immediately.
Yeah.
Once you buy her the ring, you wrecked city. You ticket to wrecked city, man. Hello. I'm gonna get wrecked. I'm gonna get
basically you're huddling on a woman.
You're holding a woman, man.
You're huddling on a woman.
You're holding a declining asset. Why? Because let's say you grabbed her when she is 20 in her prime, everything is standing nice, and like what happened to crypto, gravity takes over at some point, and all her assets are starting to decline with with her mind, and
All her assets, her
they
assets.
get wrecked, man. You get wrecked.
You
Can't put
can't put a
stop
stop
loss.
loss on marriage. You can. I mean, there is a way to cut it, but
You
you can
can,
cut
you
your
can.
losses. You
You
can
can
cut your
actually,
losses, man.
you know what you can do? You can actually hack the exchange and get divorced. Hack the exchange. Like,
Hey, I'm not for divorcing, by the way. I'm all in for the family. I have a son as well. I'm gonna build a beautiful family. So hodling, hey, if you want to hodl on the family, not on crypto. If you want to trade, trade on crypto. And CM I know trades, his girlfriends as well. So you can go the CM route as well.
flip your shit coins like you flip your girlfriend or vice versa. Flip them,
Exactly.
trade them, don't marry them. And it stands for women, whatever. If you like men, if you are a woman and you like men, sure, flip them. Don't hodl them, don't marry them, and always use a stop. The stop is actually your rules. If they're doing something bad, behaving bad, drop them, just like a
It's an
shitcoin.
it's an
Turbo,
insurance.
Turbo, for
Yeah.
example, topped out. He did
Many
something
months
bad.
ago.
We
Months
dropped him,
ago.
man. Kaspar made a filthy top formation. We dropped it, man. Treat life like you trade shitcoins, and you're gonna be all right, man.
I know it sounds like a funny philosophy, but the trader's philosophy is amazing, right? You don't, if you have something bad going for you, cut it, right? Change it for something that's good for you. Same thing like a coin. If it's not acting well, stop loss, move on to the next coin, right? There is deep philosophy rooted within what we do. And I will tell you one thing. I used to hodl in the past, like many, many years ago. Hodling, what it does, it gives you a big, not only a big minus in the bank account, it gives you a big minus in your mentality. You feel bad when you're in the red, right? When you're in the red for multiple weeks and multiple months, right? You feel like shit. You feel like the worst person on earth. You feel stupid. You feel depleted of energy. You feel like everything around you is just looking at you like a complete ass loser, right? And you're not a loser. You just didn't know how to, work the game. This is a game, right? The game is rigged against us. The game of trading and marketing, investing is just rigged against us if you don't know how to tilt the probabilities in your favor. And that's what we're trying. This podcast is here to try and teach people, A, to read, price action, to read charts, and B, to learn that you need to work with the probabilities and know how to tilt that edge slightly in your favor. And when that edge is tilted, boom, push the trigger, pull on the execution. You will have some losses, take them because it's very small, but the wins are going to be outrageously, asymmetrically in your favor. And that's what we do over here, ladies and gentlemen. Low risk, high asymmetric reward in your favor. What do we have here? Hey, sir, you got
Remember,
something else?
no edge.
No trade.